Hi guys, welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to know who visits your Instagram profile. First, open your Instagram app. From here, go to Profile on the bottom right, and then tap on Menu on the top and go to Settings. Now, go to Account. Now scroll down to the bottom and select Switch to Professional Account. Now, tap on Continue. After that, select the category that you want and then tap on Done. Now tap on OK to confirm. After it's done, on the next page, select Creator or Business. I will select Creator and then tap on Next. Now, on this section, you can skip for now. Once you're back on your profile, just reload it. Now just tap on any of your posts. From here, tap on the three dots and go to Reel Insights. Once you're here, you will get to see all your views, likes, comments, and shares. You can also see who checked your profile through Insights. Just go through it to find all the information that you want to know. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.